Folks, feast your eyes on this steaming bowl of Solstice Reef, served right here at the Sun Reef Tavern on the golden coast of Mardelia. You can almost taste the salt in the air and feel the warm breeze as I lift my spoon. This dish is a perfect mirror of Mardelia's sun-drenched shores and rich fishing traditions. First off, the starleaf sea moss. I watched the chef harvest these silvery green strands just before sunrise at Thai Heaven Market. It grows on coral ledges in shallow bays, where the water is clear and teeming with life. Locals believe the moss brings gentle energy, and you can see why when cooked, it gives the broth a silky texture and a faint, almost sweet marine aroma. Next, emberroot tubers. They look like twisted carrots, but hide a bright orange core. Growing in the volcanic soil of High Ridge Plateau, they soak up minerals, and they develop a smoky, earthy flavor. The chef peels and rolls them over grilling coals, then slices them thin, so each piece melts on the tongue. I also spot juicy Mardelian lime wedges, hand-pressed into the broth at the last moment. The tiny limes grow on cliffs overlooking the ocean and burst with broth. That tang cuts through the richness of slow-simmered lobster chunks. The lobster, caught fresh this morning by the fisherfolk of Coral Bay, still tastes of the sea. The meat is firm yet tender, with a natural sweetness that balances perfectly with the other ingredients. Now the secret to it: sky pepper flakes. These tiny crimson dots come from a high-altitude pepper vine grown on Mount Mardelian. They add a surprising gentle heat and a citrusy finish, so your tongue tingles just enough without burning. I can feel a warm glow spreading through my cheeks as I taste them. The cooking method is simple but deliberate. First, the chef sweats chopped onion and garlic in coconut oil until golden. Then he adds starleaf sea moss and emberroot, filling the air with a smoky seed scent. Next comes a splash of coconut milk, fresh lobster stock, and a squeeze of lime. It simmers for 20 minutes, just long enough for flavors to marry. At the end, sky pepper flakes and fragrant basil leaves are stirred in, giving bright color and aroma. Each spoonful feels like a story of Mardelia itself. The hot, silky broth warms you like a midday sun. The tender lobster and soft tuber pieces create a playful dance of textures. The lime zing and sky pepper's gentle fire spark a sense of celebration. Every June, Mardelians gather on sandy shores for the Summer Solstice Festival. This stew is the star of the feast, symbolizing unity between land and sea, tradition and innovation. If you ever visit, make sure to drop by Sun Reef Tavern or the market stalls at Dawn Pier. I promise you'll leave with your heart full and your taste buds singing. Take that first spoon, close your eyes, and let Mardelia's magic fill you. This Solstice Reef Stew is calling your name. Don't miss it.